Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that momentum token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Momentum DEX, the central liquidity engine of Move ecosystem. Momentum DEX is the flagship product of the ecosystem. A concentrated liquidity market maker CLMM, decentralized exchange built on Uniswap v3 style architecture. Since launching its beta on March 31, 2025, Momentum DEX has unique swap. Momentum DEX has, as of October 2022-2025, onboarded 1.6 million plus unique swap users and 1.3 million plus liquidity providers, raised $490 million TVL, processed $24 billion plus cumulative trading volume according to website. Unlike traditional AMMs where liquidity is passively spread across the full price curve, CLMMs allows liquidity providers to allocate capital within targeted price range. This creates tighter spreads, deeper liquidity where traders actually occurs, and far less slippage for traders. The result a trading experience that revivals centralized exchanges while processing the transparency, security, and composability of DeFi. Momentum token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 204.09 million. MMT token. MMT token is listed on Binance, Bybit, OKX, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 90% chances is that it is a. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.